Hi, 你好, I'm Chef Tom. We are making stir-fried chicken and vegetable with a black bean sauce. Here I got some vegetable cooking oil. I'm gonna stir-fry the chicken first. This chicken is nice and cold. I'm using non-stick commercial skillet. Now the chicken, you see, nice and hot, 90% done, nice and warm. You want to make sure your chicken is nice and warm. And I have some authentic black bean, the real black bean. Or you can get a black bean paste. This is a Sichuan black bean. And we're gonna add some ginger and garlic. It go really good with ginger and garlic mince. I have some mixed vegetable. Just gonna add in all the mixed vegetable that I have. I got broccoli, mushroom, baby corn, bell pepper, broccoli. You can hear the sizzle sound. This is the proper way to stir fry. You always have to cook the protein first. If the protein cold and the vegetable in together, it's hard to manage the sauce. Then you start to have water and juice, everything coming out, and it's hard to cook that way. So you always have to cook the protein first. Okay? So here, I'm gonna add some hoisin sauce. I've been using a lot of hoisin sauce now. Drizzle some in. And some soy sauce. Soy sauce to taste. Some soy sauce are stronger than the other. Here's the oyster sauce. It's just to balance the flavor, you know. Oyster sauce and hoisin sauce is good to balance the flavor. Soy sauce is for the sodium, you know. So here's good. We're just gonna toss it. You see the sauce is nice and hot. If you like sauce, add some water in and then thicken with the cornstarch and the water dissolve to make a gravy. I'm cooking this for my son. He's coming over again. So, excuse me, my dog is playing. You see? So basically, you can have one taste, one piece of the protein. Maybe something like this, okay? Hot. Beautiful. I love the black bean flavor. And ginger garlic, perfect, everything's good. Here is your stir-fried chicken with the black bean paste or sauce. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye. So I have some chicken vegetable stir-fry and some pork chop. You see how nice it is? I cooked some rice. This is for my son for the college. And I pour the sauce and the pork chop on the top for a reason. So when he scoop, this is like a metal tray pan. So when he scoop the rice and the vegetable preheated, and the pork chop will stay juicy and moist. Here we go. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye.